Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh. Welcome to my channel CBA Fitness. That's conceive, believe and achieve. So guys, right now I'm in my balcony of my house and I'm going to show you exercise with the kettlebells. So as you can see, I have different weights of kettlebell lying in front of me, and the exercise which I'm going to show you is the kettlebell swing. So basically this exercise works on your core as well as on your thighs. It's a really good workout to build up a strength as well as cardio. So as a beginning, first I will lift a normal light kettlebell and I will try to just swing it like that. So this actually pump up your shoulders. Before you actually begin the workout, you can just start the swing like this. So you can do it alternate like this. So that helps you to build a good grip strength as well as it warm up your shoulder nicely. Even you can use a light kettlebell and you can just hold your shoulder like this. So this helps you to warm up your shoulder and to begin the workout. So once you have done with all, so first what we will do, we will start with a normal swing like this. See, I am not lifting too high, just do with the normal swing like this. Once you are comfortable, just go all the up to your shoulder strength, pause for a second and come down like this. Once you are comfortable with that, go all the way up, hold it for a second and come down. Go all the way up and come down like this. So as you can see, this helps build a good squatting movement. So as you can see, when I am going down, I am going in the squatting movement. I will be showing you from this angle how it looks from the side. So as you can see, I am going in the squatting movement when I am going down and all the way up like that. So this way you can try to do at least 25 to 30 reps. So now, as a strength building workout or as a cardio, what you can do is you can start with the heavy, try to do at least 4 or 5, then move on to the little lightweight and finally the lightest weight. So this is like a 16 kg kettlebell. So I will start with this, try to do at least 7 to 8 reps. So once I am done with this, then I will lift the 12 kg and try to do another 10. Remember, go all the way up, hold it for a second and come down. Breathe, and once you are done with this, you can move on to the 8 kg. So this you will feel very light. So you can do as many as you can. So this is the exercise known as kettlebell swing. I will be showing different other exercises which you can do with the kettlebell in my next video. So please tune in for that. Hope you like my video. Thank you guys.